Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to watch restricted YouTube videos. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel and give a like. Okay, how to watch restricted YouTube videos. When you are on YouTube, click in your profile pictures and then you see here restricted mode on. Just click here. And here you can see this help hide potentially measure videos. Not filter is 100% accurate. What you need to do, just disable it. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to watch restricted YouTube videos. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.